Nowadays, whether I'm scrolling on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, I keep seeing those stunning miniature makeup videos created with AI. They're adorable, beautifully crafted, and so realistic I couldn't stop watching. And I kept thinking, how do people even make these? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create those viral AI miniature makeup videos that are blowing up all over social media. These videos are not only fun to make, but they're also helping creators earn real income using just a few easy AI tools. No experience needed. By the end of this video, you will know how to bring tiny makeup artists to life applying makeup, holding giant brushes, and glamorizing oversized beauty products. And trust me, it's much easier than it looks. So don't skip any part, watch till the end, and you'll be ready to make your own viral AI makeup videos today. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me what tutorial you want next. Alright, let's get started with the step-by-step guide. To start, we need to create our miniature makeup world using a powerful AI image generator. There are lots of options like Midjourney and Leonardo AI, but today we'll use a simple, underrated tool called PicLumen. Open Google Chrome and search PicLumen AI Image Generator, sign up using your Gmail account, and log in. Click Create to begin generating images. For YouTube Shorts or Reels, select vertical 9:16 or go 16:9 for longer YouTube videos. In the prompt description box, paste your AI prompt. Here's a prompt you can try. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate more. I will provide 10 prompts for image generation in the description box for your convenience. Let's paste a prompt. A beautiful woman with her eyes closed, sitting peacefully, while a team of tiny men to 3 inches tall applies her makeup. One uses a giant mascara wand, another climbs a ladder to apply eyeshadow, and another brushes blush with a huge brush. Whimsical and magical Pixar-style art, soft beauty salon lighting, high detail, charming expressions. Now click Generate and let the AI do its magic. Look at that! Miniature makeup artists in action. It looks so cute and cinematic. Want more ideas? Let's paste another prompt from our list. A smiling woman sits in a chair while tiny hairstylists to 3 inches tall style her hair. One climbs a strand with a comb, another blow dries using a tiny dryer, and one sprays from a mini bottle. Pixar-style art, dreamy lighting, colorful salon background, full of magical charm. Look at that! Miniature makeup artists in action. It looks so cute and cinematic. Be creative, the possibilities are endless. Now it's time to turn your still image into an animated video using Kiling AI. Open Google Chrome and search for Kiling AI. Sign up and log in using your Gmail. I have used almost all of the tools currently available for creating image to video, and this one has the best results. You can definitely use it. Upload the AI image you created in PicLumen, then paste the same prompt you used earlier. Now click Generate and just wait a moment. It takes 30 seconds to a minute to generate a video from an image because we are using a free account. So we can wait this long, right? Boom! Now your tiny makeup artists are moving, blending, brushing, applying like a real-life animated beauty tutorial. Once your animated video is ready, click Download. Save the video to your device, and you're done. Now you've got a viral-ready AI miniature makeup video, and it was all made from your phone or laptop. And there you go! You just made your very own miniature makeup animation using free AI tools. No filming, no fancy editing, just creativity and AI. If you've watched the video this far, here's a bonus trick for you. Woo! Now I will show you how to remove the watermark from this video for free. Go to Google and search for Video Watermark Remover. Go to this website. Now upload the video whose watermark you want to remove here. Wait for some time, the watermark will be removed from your video. See how beautifully the watermark was removed from the video. Now download the video by clicking on the 3 dots next to it. Yes, now you are ready to rock the internet. Now it's your turn. Try it out and share your videos in the comments. I'd love to see your mini makeup creations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on viral AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!